She was a fast machine, she kept her motor clean. She was the best damn woman that I've ever seen. She had the sightless eyes, telling me no lies, knocking me out with those American thighs, taking more than a share, had me fighting for air. She told me to come, but I was already there, cause the world started shaking, the earth was quaking, my mind was aching, we were making it. You shook me all night long. Yeah, you shook me all night long. Working double time on the seduction line. Now she's one of a kind, and she's just mine, oh mine. Wanted no applause, it's just another quote.